This is an old Hoover Preferred that I've had for quite a while, probably 10 years. Just never got around to doing anything with it until now. The belt was worn out and the brushle bearings were worn, so I robbed those parts off of my hush tone just to test it and show it. Eventually I'm gonna get some new parts, like a new belt, a new brushle, but for now it's I'm just gonna put the old parts back in and just make a note that it doesn't run very well with those parts, but I'm probably not gonna use it that much anyways. I think this is like one of the last breaths of the Hoover company, because this may have been a lower cost alternative to a wind tunnel. I'm not sure exactly when these came out or how long they lasted, but I know there's not a lot of them left. I haven't seen a lot. They were branded under like a wind tunnel and something else, so. But the Preferred brand is probably the least common of them all, which is why I'm kind of glad to have this. Runs really nice with the new parts, but it's just kind of an awkward machine to use. Like, it's got this big head, the wide path. It's not that nimble, and it's also quite tall. The handle is about 2 inches taller than the one on my hush tone, which is, well, I'm short, so it's worse for me, maybe better for somebody who's tall, but it's just one of those awkward points in Hoover history where, it's sometimes left better not talked about, but, has a brand new Hoover Type Z bag in it. That's a generic YZ bag, but it's as big as a Hoover Z, and that's what this thing takes. Why it's just a little small. Shouldn't have done this. There. Hose falling over, but it's a nice, girthy stretch hose. Cord clip up here, it's missing most of the attachments. And the bottom cord wrap, look, they put a piece of acrylic in its place, so it's lived a life, that's for sure. So I also need to get a new headlight bulb for it, but this thing is not really high priority right now. Vacuums in general aren't. But I'll run this thing for a bit, just to show anybody who hasn't seen one of these or heard them what it sounds like with it. Yeah, it's interesting, but also quite generic. As you can see, it does groom the carpet pretty nicely. But other than that, it's just a big, heavy, creaky, just very loosely put together machine. But it's But it's a piece of Hoover history in my opinion. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one.